Hey everyone, this is Gigi Gabrielle. Welcome to my channel. So I'm over here feeling myself, finally having my Rihanna moment. So she came out with the red hair. I've been wanting it, so here I am. Now this is how it started, everyone, okay? I got a wig off of Amazon from Peromi store. And it was supposed to be a 99J like burgundy wig. But look at this color though. It came not really looking the best. So I'm going to show you how I customized it to make a cheap synthetic wig from Amazon look amazing. So right here, I just want a simple way to go ahead and separate a line so that I can make my part, thicker, more natural looking. So I went ahead and parted it with the scissors because that's what I had, and I didn't have my tweezers, so I was just pulling one string by string of hair, and then there you go, it looks natural. This is what the lace is looking like. You can see that little tiny piece of lace that they left for me to go ahead and put on my forehead. And here I am just plucking that, hair that's on that little piece of lace to try to make it look as natural as we can. So we can compare the side that I did, the side that I didn't do yet, and I'm going to do the other side now. Cutting off that lace, getting it ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to color the part. So I'm using my concealer first, which is a little bit bright. So I'm going to go in after with my contour powder. And I'm going to go ahead and dull it out, make it a little bit darker so it blends in more with my skin tone. So even though you don't really have much lace to work with, you still want to at least try to tint that lace so it still matches, because the least thing you want is one super white strip of something going on your hair, on your forehead right there. That just won't look cute, So I'm going to go ahead and install it now. I'm noticing a little Humpty Dumpty action going on right there. We definitely will need to take care of that later. Right now I'm going to focus on gluing our little piece of lace down. And then just remember too that this kind of wig is not a full lace under that part in that little closure area. It's like some kind of plastic or something that they have going on in there. And then they just kind of put lace above and under it. So that's why it's extra humpy, but Humpty Dumpty, that's not looking right, So we're going to fix that. Don't worry about it. Just watch. The texture of this wig is kind of like really pretty baby doll hair. And I did move it around a lot, so that's why it was extra tangly. But as I wore the wig throughout the day, you see how it's kind of frizzy on that side like that? That's how it would get real quick. So not the hugest tangles in the world, but just kind of frizzy like that. So it was shedding here after I had untangled it, but I will say that as I wore it throughout the day, I didn't get any shedding. And so right now what we're going to do is take care of that Humpty situation and flatten it out as much as we can. It won't get flat like how a normal lace closure would, because again, it has that plastic inside, but it does get pretty flat. It gets a lot better. Am I the only one that finds watching me hot comb this hair satisfying? If I'm not, please comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And then we're going to go ahead and blend that lace in with my contour powder. I know I went a little heavy in the middle, but just forget about that. And here it is, y'all, the end result. Now the color A1. This color is beautiful. Like I said, I'm finally having my Rihanna moment that I've been wanting for so long. This was like the perfect way for me to try out this color. It was a safe way. You know, a lot of times you don't really want to spend a lot of coins on the unknown. So this Amazon wig is the perfect wig for like a photo shoot or just a fun day out, or if you want to try out a color. You know, it's definitely the way to go. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm just happy. So I'm just swishing my hair around like I'm in a shampoo commercial. Now let me tell you, when I went out today with this wig, I definitely got compliments. There was a few ladies that told me, wow, I really love your hair. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you. So anyways, girls, it was beautiful chatting with you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do share it. Please do like it. And much love. Have a good day, everyone. Good night. Bye.